Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. That's really a good news to hear. Okay, today it is English time. We are going to see some English lessons. Seeing the drawing on the board and seeing this, you would have all now got to know what we are going to see today. In the last video, Miss Juno taught you about D. Hope you all remember it. Okay, you all would have seen the video and now you have an idea of what is D and how does it look. You all would be able to now identify D, right? Okay, let's just have a revision of what Miss Juno taught you and then we'll go on trace D. Okay, first of all, Miss Juno began with the tracing of D. Tracing of D on sandpaper letter. You all remember? Okay, shall we do it again? Shall we revise it? Okay, so starting here, go down and draw a standing line. Shall we do it again? Okay, D. What is this? This is D. Go round and draw a standing line. D. Hope you all remember. Don't forget to practice in your sand tub and in your, if in case you have a rice or a wheat plate, you can try doing it. But don't be playful. Okay. Then Miss Juno showed you the pictures. Shall we go ahead and see the pictures again? Okay. Okay. So you all remember Miss Juno showed you these pictures that has the sound D. This is D. D, dress. D, door. D, door. D, dragonfly. D, dinosaur. D, duck. D, dog. D, dice. Are you able to see here? Dice. D, doll. D, donkey. D, deer. So Miss Juno also sang the beautiful song for you. Shall we all sing together? Miss Juno, please help me in singing the song. Sure. Please sing along. Yeah. Okay, shall we start? 1, 2, 3, start. See me playing on my drum. Playing drums is a lot of fun. See me play upon my drum. Shall we sing it once again? Okay, let's do it. Shall we start again? 1, 2, 3, start.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Okay, so before getting into the tracing stuff, we'll now go ahead and see some other words that has the sound D. As I have drawn here, you see drum, drums, right? You play drums, D, drums. Then your favorite snack, what is it? Donuts. It has the sound of D, right? Donuts, D. Then what do you call your father? Some of you might call your fathers dad or daddy. That has the sound D. Dad, D. Yes? Daddy also has the sound D. Then when you go out with your mom, maybe you by mistake, like you go and touch something in the supermarket or you try to pick it up. What will mom say? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do. Yes? Don't pick it. Don't do. Then your mom might, when you say you go out, mom says do not sit here. Do not stand here. Do not stamp on it. Do not. Right? You hear the sound D? Yes? D. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and see some other words also. I have cold. D. Cold. D. Cold. I've got cold. D. Then are you able to hear the sound D in the end? The last in the end. D. End also has the sound D in the end. End. D. Yes? Stand. Stand. All of you stand up. Stand. Are you all able to hear the sound? This sound in the end? Stand. Then what we can say? Board. Board. What is this? It's a board. Whiteboard. Board. D. Right? So as usual we have that exercise of going around our house. God. Yeah, Miss Juno is giving me clues here. God. God. D has the D sound in the end. Now our as usual exercise. As usual what we'll go around. D. We'll go around the house and look for words. D. Word. Word. Yes, word. Rod. Yeah, the words around the house that has the D sound. Sound. Sound has D. I have D in my name, Soundarya. D. Soundarya. We won't say da, but still my spelling is D. Okay? And take the days. Days of the week. Days D. Days has D. Monday, Tuesday, all has the D sound, right? Monday to Sunday has D sound. Then today. Then daily. Your mother will say daily you're doing this thing. Daily. D. Yes, I have given you a lot of clues. Use these clues. Now go around your house and look for words that has D sound. Okay? Fine, that's great. Now we'll go and trace D. Ahead. See, ahead also has the D sound. That's nice, right? Okay, now we'll go ahead and also has D sound. And. Okay. We'll trace D now. Is it clear? Shall we begin doing it? Okay, doing D. Okay. Starting from here. D. D. Are you all able to see clearly? Start from here. Come down. D. You have to draw a standing line. My line is not perfect. Try to draw a perfect line. Okay? Okay. We'll do it again. I'm going to change the color for you to have a clear view. Okay? Starting from here, draw a curved line and a standing line. Okay? Okay. D. I'll do it one more time for you. Follow it and then you can practice it all by yourself. Draw a curved line and a standing line. D. Are you all able to see here? See, you have two types of D. You can just, bring it up to here, or else this is enough. It's up to you. Fine? Okay. D. Now it's time for us to work on the workbook. Come, let's have a look. This is for your reference. Now you can go and work on the work exercise that is there in the page number 23, 24 and 25. Okay? Come, let's have a look at the workbook. Open your workbook and go to page number 23 and you will see the picture of a drum. See here, D. You have given space to trace D, starting from here and draw a straight line. Remember not to go too down. Okay, go down till here. You have to stop here. Clear? You have also given space to write all by yourself. Do not forget. Now go to page number 24 and you see the pictures of a dog, door, duck and doll. Yes, so these are all the pictures that has the beginning sound of D. The name of these pictures begin with D. Okay, what you have to do is you have to color these pictures. While coloring the dog, you have to say dog, D, dog, door, duck, doll. Now go to page number 25. When you go to page number 25, you will have the space to write D. You will have the pictures that begins with the sound D, and you have also given space to write. Now I let you know how to do it. Don't forget to write D. Okay? What is this? This is a dog. So you will write dog. Dog. Dog is nothing but, you all know doggies, right? Dog. Then you have dig. Dig is nothing but to dig something. Pallam thondrathu. You all know, right? You all see on the road. Pallam thonduvanga illaya, they dig the road. Pallam thondrathu. Okay, dig. Write D here. Then this is dip. Dip. When you eat pizzas, when you buy some cheese breads, no, garlic breads, you are given some dip. Biscuits lame, you will dip it in the tea and eat it. Pizza kuda you have get the dip, right? Sandwiches that is called as a dip. Dip is nothing but we dip the eatable thing in it and we eat. Dip, mukki sapadradhu. You dip biscuits in tea and eat, no? The best thing we love. Okay, that's dip. Then you have a den. A den is a place where a lion lives. Or pondu, have you ever heard? Pondu? Yeah, that's the, see, it's dark inside, right? See the dark place that's there inside? When we go inside, we can see. Now it's a picture, we are not able to see it clearly. Outside it will be like this. So write D here, it's a den. Lion lives in a den and usually. Okay? The workbook activity is for today, and tomorrow you will trace D. Okay? While tracing D, just don't trace D. Also keep telling the names that you know that starts with the sound D. Dog, doll, den, drum, door, dad, something like that. Now, Premon children, it's time for you to work on your work note, your notebook. Open the page where you have the D picture, the dolphin picture here. Dolphin also has the sound D, right? It begins with D. Are you all able to see D here? Yeah, starting from here, go down and draw a line. Now, as usual, what we'll do is take out your crayons box. Okay, take one color at a time and trace D. Okay, trace D and create a rainbow D, and also color dolphin D. Dolphin and enjoy. What color is the dolphin? It's usually in blue color. It's usually, like it's up to you. Create your own creative dolphin. Then come to the next page. You all know how to work on it, right? Identify D and circle it. Where is D? D. Then go to the next line, search for D and circle it. Do it for the rest of the exercise. Then go to the next page, and this is the one we discussed for M1 also. Yeah, these are the pictures with the beginning sound D. They start with D. Dog. When I say dog, are you all able to hear the sound D? D. Dog. So you will color dog and you will say D. Dog. Then you will color door. When I say door, I am able to hear the sound in the beginning, right? Where engiyo kekala. And the D sound is in the beginning. Modalliya I am able to hear the sound, right? Door. D. So color it. Then this duck, doll. Color it accordingly. So have fun knowing more about D, more words on the sound D. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.